Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the perfect way to withdraw your Payoneer funds. As you can see, I have $69 here, and I'm going to show you how to withdraw into this account called Grail. Now recently Grail has been having an upgrade on their USD virtual account, and a lot of functionalities are not working yet, and a lot of people have been messaging me, telling me that they are unable to use Grail to withdraw their funds. But I'm going to be showing you a way to do it in order for you to withdraw your funds. Now if you look at down here, you see that I have 79 pounds right here. So I've done these things and it works, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it. Now you can also withdraw your PayPal funds the same way I'm going to show you. Now for you to do all these things, first thing, you need to make sure you have a Payoneer account, and you have already set it up and verified it. Then you can link your Payoneer account to your PayPal, which I've already showed you exactly how to do in my other videos, so make sure to check out my videos. Okay, so once you've linked your PayPal to your Payoneer, then you can send funds from your PayPal into your Payoneer. Now if you look at this transaction right here, you see that I sent this fund from my PayPal account, and this other one, which was on the 25th of May, I sent $99 from my PayPal account into this Payoneer account, and these three transactions here are completed, as you can see. Then after sending this fund from my PayPal to my Payoneer account, then the next thing we want to do now is we want to link Grail to PayPal to Payoneer. I want to link Grail to Payoneer. So how to do that? You just come here and click on withdraw and transfer. Then once you click on it, click on withdraw to bank. Then it's going to load up and bring this screen right here. Then right here we want to click on add a new bank. Okay, so once you click on add a new bank, I think I've added up to 3 banks, and you can't add more than 3 banks. Okay, so once you click on add a new bank, it's going to open up the section where you need to add your bank. Now in this section, in this case right here, we are going to be adding a bank account from Grail. Okay, so we are going to be adding a bank account from Grail. Now because USD bank Grail USD bank is having issues, we are going to be adding their pound bank. Okay, so we are going to be getting high rates. Now if you look at this section right here, you see that pound here is for 754 naira, so it's a good deal. So to do that, all we need to do is to go to this account section right here, and then copy our pound details and add it. Look at our Great Britain pound account details. So go back to Payoneer here and click on add a new bank. Now because I've added up to 3 banks, I can't be able to do that, but it's relatively very simple. All the questions you'll be asked are right here. You'll be asked your bank name, the name of the bank, which is Clear Junction. You'll be asked the account number, you'll be asked the source code. Everything you need to link it, it's here. So once you've linked it, they are going to send you an email that it is successfully approved. As you can see here, the 3 banks here are approved. Okay, so once you have approved it, then you can go ahead now to send money from your Payoneer account into your Great Britain pound account, so that you are going to be exchanging it on a high rate, and you're going to be seeing returns as well. So this method actually works. Now if you are from PayPal, what you should do is to link your PayPal to your Payoneer, then withdraw to your Payoneer, then link your Grail to your Payoneer, then withdraw from your Payoneer into Grail. Now if you're linking your bank, make sure to link Great Britain pound, so that you're going to have high rates, and they're going to change it for you on their own rate. Okay, so once we are here right now, I'm going to do this live transaction. I'm going to be transferring this 69.5 USD into my Grail bank. Okay, so to do that, all we need to do right now is to click on withdraw. So once we click on withdraw, you're going to be brought straight to this interface. Then right now we need to select the balance where we want to withdraw from. So I'm withdrawing from my US balance, and where do we want to withdraw to? I want to withdraw it to this Clear Junction Limited. Okay, that's my account number, my Great Britain account number from Grail. Okay, so now how much do I want to withdraw? So I'm going to try to copy this. I want to withdraw the whole amount, which is 69.52. so copy it here and paste it here, 69.52. It's going to pull up the rates. Now it's going to send 54.01 pounds into our account. It's going to send 51.01 pounds into our account. Okay, and pound is for 754, which is a nice deal. Okay, so now Once we are good to go, we are ready, and that is okay by us. And remember, it's going to convert it USD to pounds, and it's going to take its own fees. Okay, so it might, you just have to know that it might take a fee. Okay, so right now we can add description. It's optional, but let me just write something, anything here. So right now we just need to click on review and review our transaction. As you can see here, we are going to be drawing from USD balance into our Clear Junction Limited account, which is 0867, and the amount is $69.52, and this is the exchange rate, and we are going to be getting 54.01 Great Britain pounds. Okay, so now that we are ready and everything is good to go, we need to just click on withdraw. Now you have to note that if it's your first time, it's going to ask you to put your password and your date of birth. So I've done that before and I've saved it, so that's why it's not asking me for those things again. So right now I just need to click on withdraw, and it's going to withdraw. Okay, so I click on withdraw. Now I'm going to wait for it now to show me the success message. Okay, so this is the success message here. Your funds are on the way. We will send you a confirmation email shortly. Check that email for details on when the funds will reach your bank account. Now from my experience, the one I did, which is this one that I just arrived not long, it's going to take a couple of hours, I think up to 4 to 5 or 6 hours, for this payment to reflect right here on our Grill account. Okay, so I might not wait for it to show you, but it's eventually going to show up after some hours. Okay, so that's how you withdraw your funds safely into your Grill Great Britain pounds and still enjoy all the benefits you enjoyed. Okay, so right now, once we are done with this deal, we need to come to this home. We are going to see that the money should have left our Payoneer account. As you can see here, the money have left our Payoneer account, and if you go and check our email, we're going to see the estimated time with the money is going to arrive. So this is how you withdraw your funds easily without any stress. Now I believe this video was helpful. If you don't mind, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to more people to help them. Okay, so guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. It's very important so that this video will reach more people. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Thank you very much.